As you notice, his arc is real tight. His position is good. His travel speed is nice. And his angle is nice. Good, man. And you kept it tight all the way to the end.
Yeah.
He did good, fam. We can just tell by the slag, and we ain't even knocked it off yet. It's gonna be a good weld. Let him clean it up and see what we're working with.
Having helmet issues today. Give me a second.
See how he did, fam. Ooh, he was dropping dimes, picking up hundreds. Now we see right here in the center, he kind of went out the puddle just a little too far, and then he got back on it. So we're practicing right now, fam, but he's doing great. Dropping dimes, picking up hundreds.